So I finally installed the rear entertainment screen on my Tesla Model 3 Performance. All right, unboxing the Hansshow rear entertainment and climate control screen. Comes in a nice box, and this packet includes the trim removal piece along with the cable for the passenger seat connection, which will allow it to move forward, backwards, and the OBD2 connector that is going to let it speak to the Tesla's computer. And here is the screen itself, nicely packaged. It's got foam inserts to the left, to the right, and there's also one on the bottom of the box in the base. Neatly wrapped, and I like the look and feel of the product. The finish is pretty good. You can see the USB-C ports, and also this is the power cable that powers the device, the screen in itself. That's pretty good. I'll also give you this QR code for instructions.
The first step is going to be to remove the lower panel with the help of the pry tool that they have provided. And it comes off pretty easy. As you can see, all I did is go in and to the edges and unhook it and open it up. And there it is. Of course, there's one up here that kind of holds it, so you gotta be careful with how you pull that off. So I'm just gonna work my way through it. And there you have it. So these are the screws here. The clips, not screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the one in the middle that was stuck. And here we have the OBD2. Now I do have the mini heads-up display that I had bought off of RPM Tesla. So in this case, I will have to use an OBD2 connector to go ahead and make sure that power goes out to both of these. So that's going to be something we'll test. Next, we're going to be removing this AC vent, and it's fairly easy. We just need to kind of pull here and over here. You should be able to pull it off. This is where the AC vent connection is. So we'll go ahead and remove this. In order for the wiring and a comfortable working area, we will go ahead and remove these two screws so this panel can come off. So we're going to do that right now. I'll give it a bit of tug, and they snap right off. As you can see, these are the clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got these. Press on this clip and got that out for me. So what we're going to do is go ahead and connect the Hansshow, the 8.7 rear screen here. And that should be fairly easy. and simple to do. Not really that complicated. That's done. You can hear that click. Just move it in here. There's enough. There's plenty of room at the back. We'll just go ahead and wiggle it away. Next, we're going to take the seat controls and we will go ahead and fish it from underneath the seat here and then route it underneath the vent. So, and then same thing here. There is that room. I'm going to cut across and get to the front. This part is going to go into the unit, the main unit, the rear screen. So let me show you where this is going to land up. I just said it's going to land up. It's going to end up. And we'll be fishing the wire through and it's going to come... It's going to get plugged in. If I can... You should be able to see it here. We're going to be connecting it here. We're going to go ahead and try to remove this. When you unboxed, you got this. This is going to be connected to the USB C connector that we pulled off the factory one. And if we do not close this, then it impacts your front charging and USB functionalities. So you need to create a complete circuit. So we go ahead and we're going to put this on. And it snaps on. So this is... Once you're done, you can just tuck it back in here. If you can see it. So this is going to be out of the way. And then we'll go ahead and put this back into place, this panel that we removed. And put the screws back on. And before putting everything back together and connecting this portion here, make sure you've got this cable wiring coming from underneath and through this. And then we'll connect this to the rear screen. So here I've got the screen and I'm going to go ahead and connect this to this piece right here, to this cable. So there we have it. It is connected. So I finally installed the rear entertainment screen on my Tesla Model 3 Performance. One of the things that was of concern for me was if I would have the ability to continue using the mini HUD functionality along with the rear screen. The thing that I had to figure out was how to be able to have the HUD OBD connector along with the rear screen connector speak to the Tesla computer. I went on Amazon. I found an OBD2 splitter that was specifically made for a Tesla. You could find it on Amazon, and it actually worked. So I now have my functionality of the HUD and the rear screen as well. The instructions that came along with the product, they were for like prior to 2022 model years of the Tesla. So that kind of confused me. And when I scanned the QR code, it would continuously go to the instructions and not the video instructions that they were talking about. So I had to YouTube and figure out from a couple of others how this was done. And I'm glad I finally figured it out. I do believe that Hansshow could provide
a better level of instruction, and even customer service support. They need a bit of improvement in that area, but overall, the product is good. I like how it's functioning, and I'm quite happy, at least for now. So I've got it on my Model 3. I will certainly be installing it on my Model Y.